We are very glad to be a part in One with One Home program conducted by WWF. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity by engaging our students with lots of activities in this pandemic time.
Reflection on One Earth, One Home digital journey. As a science teacher, it's perfect for sharing my feedback about this program, One Earth, One Home, organized by WWF India. The only myth that will be worth thinking about in our near future is talking about the planet Earth. Yes, we take this as an opportunity to thank wholeheartedly for making every one of us think about the planet Earth in these 10 weeks. We have created a considerable effort to integrate our learnings from WWF worksheets and activities directly reflected in our daily lives. At the end of this program, as a takeaway segment, we sincerely share the following outcomes. Students developed the skills of observation, protection, and preservation. Student actively engaged in solving practical problems in protecting the saving the living environment. The students developed consciousness to save various sustainable energy sources. The students directly connected to nature that prepared them for the future. Through this virtual journey, our students watched delightful videos and engaged in interactive activities that catered to greener habit among them. Through these 10 to 12 weeks of digital journey, tends them to become nature friend. Our students initiated to prepare bioenzymes and plant growth nutrients. End of every simple step out of three, students as well as parents developed so many qualities such as explore nature, segregating waste, growing plants, responsibility, family time, 3R, and etc. One Earth, One Home is a complete guide for both teachers and students to live a happy life in the future on the planet. Thank you.
வணக்கம். என் பேர் கிருபானந்தா. நான் ஒரு விவசாயி. என் குழந்தைகள் இந்த கரோனா காலத்தில் ஒன் ஹெல்த் ஒன் ஹோம் என்ற ப்ரோக்ராம் மூலியமில் ஆக்டிவிஸ் மிக அருமையாக செஞ்சு கொண்டு வந்துட்டு இருக்கார்கள். இந்த என்விரான்மெண்ட் பாதுகாக்கிற மாதிரி தான் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் இருக்கிறது. அவருக்கு ஒன் எர்த் ஒன் ஹோம் அவருக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. நம்ம கடமை என்னென்னா இந்த இயற்கை பாதுகாக்கிறது தான் நம்ம கடமை. இப்போ நம்ம பசங்களுக்கு அதுதான் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கணும். அது இந்த ஒன் எர்த் ஒன் ப்ரோக்ராம்ன்றவங்க நல்லா சொல்லிக் கொடுக்குறாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு மிக்க மிக்க நன்றி.
ஒன் எர்த் ஒன் ஹோம் செயல்பாடுகள் மிகவும் நன்றாக இருந்தது. எங்கள் குழந்தைகள் செயல்பாடுகள் செய்யும்போது நாங்களும் எங்கள் குழந்தைகளுடன் சேர்ந்து செயல்பாடுகள் செய்வோம். எங்கள் குழந்தைகள் எங்கள் வீட்டில் தோட்டம் அமைத்து பாதுகாத்து வருகிறார்கள். குப்பைகள் தனித்தனியாக பிரித்து குப்பை தொட்டியில் போடுகிறார்கள். மின்சாரம் சேமிக்கும் பழக்கம் எங்களுக்கு தினம்தோறும் நடைபெறுகிறது. இந்த நல்ல பழக்கம் எங்களுக்கு மிகவும் பயனுள்ளதாக இருந்தது. தேங்க்யூ ஒன் எர்த் ஒன் ஹோம். நன்றி.
Good morning to all. My name is Nitya. I am studying in 7th standard. I am coming from PUMS Achetipalli. I am very glad to be in a part of One Earth One Home program launched by WWF. By this One Earth One Home group, I learned many new things such as saving water, do's and don'ts to save nature. I learned how to segregate the home waste. By this, I also learned planting and I come to know many vegetables, fruits, plants and their uses, and I started gardening in my farm. I am not using much electricity, not wasting water, and I started saving nature. In this lockdown time, I was so bored. This topic made me learning many things about saving nature and saving earth. Thank you very much.
Good morning to all. My name is Sankirtana. I am studying in 8th standard from Panchayat Union Middle School at Chetipalli. Thank you very much for WWF for creating interest on nature. I started to use plastic containers for plantation. I got many recycling ideas and now I am following it with my sister. I know the biodiversity in India and I got information about mammals, amphibians, reptiles, invertebrates in India. I learned about Wildlife Product Act and its importance. We realized our mistakes which are affecting to nature and we rectified it. And happy to be part of One Earth, One Home and to save nature. Thank you.
Morning to all. My name is D. Shweta. I am studying in 8th standard at PUM School at Chetipalli. Through this project of WWF One Earth One Home activities, we learned how to save our earth. With kitchen waste, we are making organic manure at home. Nowadays, we are using only one bucket bath. We are reusing water. We are separating 3 different types of wastes at home. We did 3 types of activities: seek and find, discuss and do, look and learn. I really want to thankful for WWF One Earth One Home for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Morning to all. My name is Ebu Vaneshwari. I am studying in 8th standard in PUM School at Chetipalli. One Earth, One Home. This group is very useful for us. I followed the 3 steps of activities and I learned more things. I observed the different types of plants, animals, birds, insects, etc. in my surroundings and I enjoyed a lot. I know the importance of balancing ecosystem and different types of ecosystems in our country. I feel very sad about endangered and endemic species. Thank you for WWF for giving this great opportunity in this pandemic period. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Dharani. I am studying in 8th standard at PUM School at Chetipalli. We enjoyed a lot to do activities in One Earth One Home program. I learned segregating waste into biodegradable and non-biodegradable and we are following at home. I know the importance of saving electricity, saving water and I realized. I started kitchen garden and prepared organic manure waste to well. Finally, I started with my friends giving awareness about our environment to my villagers. Thank you.